Good morning, students. On today's lecture, I'll solve Mathematics Syllabus D, Paper 1, 4024, Variation 11, May-June 2018. It's a non-calculated version, so I'll just put my calculator away. And the first one says evaluate, and 3.5 minus 1.9, that's going to be, I can do this over here, 3.5, just rough, 1.9, so taking that 1 and it's going to be 15, so that's going to be 6 and this is going to be 1, so on the top it's going to be 1.6 and below here 0.8. Now if I take this point off, I can put 1 on the top, and for every digit I can put a 0, and same thing over here, so that's actually 10 and 10 cross out, and then 8 to the 16, so final answer is 2. So that's my final answer. Now evaluate 9 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 4. This is BODMAS. I hope you know that. BODMAS, that's the sequence of action to be taken for this evaluation. First is bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So before I do addition and subtraction, I need to do division. So 9 plus 6 and division sign turn into a multiplication sign, and this 3 is replaced by its reciprocal, and then 3 cancel out the 6, so it's 2, 3 goes into 6 two times, so 9 plus 2 minus 4, that's 11, 11 minus 4, that's supposed to be 7. So that's answer is 7. All right, work out 15% of 80. So 15% will be replaced by 1 by 100 times 80. So 0, 0 cancel out. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are, so 3 times 4 is 12. So 15% of 80 is nothing but 12. Work out 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7, give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Now look at the denominator, it's 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are co-prime. They don't have anything common except 1, no other factors common except 1. So to find out the LCM, we need to multiply that. So 5 7s are 35. Now if you divide 35 by 5, then you have 7. 7 times 3 minus, if you divide 35 by 7, it's going to be 5, then times 2. So on the top I have 21 minus 10 divided by 35, so it's 11 by 35. So 11 by 35, done. All right, question number 3. Write these numbers in order of size, starting with the smallest. Now this type of math you can do two different ways. You can write down all of them in decimal places, or you can write down in fraction with all the denominator equal. Now in this case, see that is 31. It's a very weird type of denominator, so I'm not gonna make all of them, all the denominator equal. I'm gonna go for decimal places. So 1 by 3, it can be written as 0.33, and as you know, it keeps going on and on. If you are not sure, you can just do this division over here. 1 divided by 3, therefore 1 is over here. So to get in there, I need to put a point, so get a 0 over here. 3 3s are 9, then 1, and then 0 again. 3 3s are 9. It keeps repeating and going forever. It's called a recurring decimal. So it's that. For the time being, I'm gonna keep 2 decimal places. I don't know if I need more or not. If it requires, I'm gonna put some more. 0.32, and then 15 by 40. So cross that out. 5 3s are, 5 8s are. So if I divide 3 by 8, same way, so that's 0.0, taking a 0 over here. So 8 goes in there 3 times. 3 8s are 24. Then I have 6, then 0. 7 8s are 56. Then is 40. 5s are 40. Okay, so I have here 0.375. Okay, and this one is 0.3 as it is, 0.3, and that 9 divides by 31, so again 0 point, then this is 0, and it doesn't go 3 times, it's gonna go by 2 times. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and it's gonna be 8 and 28, taking 0. Now it's gonna be let's say to 9, because 10s are 30, to 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, so I got 1 and 0.29. If I take 2 decimal places, you can see that it's okay. I can get that, and I can get the answer. Write these numbers in order of size, starting with the smallest. So look at the smallest. Okay, all of them 0.3. Look at the first digit after point, 3, 3, 3, 3. Only this one is 2. So this is the smallest among all of them. So don't write down this. Okay, write down that one. So it's gonna be 9 by 31, the first smallest value. Okay, so this is done. We are not going to be bothering with that, so this is done. And from here 3, 3, all of them 3. Then look at the next digit. So that's 3, 2, that's 7, that's 0, so must be this one, 0.3. so that's gone. And from this 3, see, this is 3, 2, and this is 7, so this one is 0.32. Next one is 1 by 3, and last one is 1540. Okay, so this is done. Now next one, the diagram shows part of a shape which is symmetrically about the line L. Complete the shape. What that actually means, that when we fold this page through this line, then we're gonna have a congruent shape of this one on this side. So the way I'm gonna do, see this point over here, I'm gonna go diagonally halfway. So this point, when I fold it, this point gonna be over here. Okay, and this point is here. Then look at this one, diagonally 1, diagonally 1. Okay, and this one diagonally 1, diagonally 1, and it's over here. Now I need a scale to just join them. So just join this. I'm gonna use a different color, this one, so that we know what we are what does it look like when we finish drawing this line. Okay, you can see that when I fold this, it's gonna be coincide. Okay, this way or that way. Okay, it's gonna be coincide. All right, this one, the diagram shows part of a shape which has rotational symmetry of order 2 about the point O. Complete the shape. Now it looks like half of the parallelogram. Okay, it does look something like this, Okay, so if we do that, I'm gonna do that. There is a trick on this one. If I draw this thing as see that one unit this side, 1 unit this side, and 2 unit this side, and if we join that, of course it has a rotational symmetry too. Okay, that looks exactly the same, but there is a problem. It says that rotational symmetry of order 2 about the origin O. Now that's where we are having problem. Okay, now when we rotate that 180 degree, look at this, 180 degree rotate, you know that parallelogram, it has 2 rotational symmetry. One is 180 degree and another one is either 360 degree or its original position 0 degree. Okay, so it's exactly through the middle. Okay, but it's over here. So when I rotate it like that, on the top I'm gonna have 2 unit up. Okay, so let's put 2 unit up. Okay, and then it's gonna be 1 unit this way, and this is gonna be 1 unit below over here. See that, 1 unit below, so 1 unit below, and this side is 2. So this diagram should be looking something like this. So that's what it is. Not the pink one, but this one. Okay, when you draw this, when you draw this, you can see that through the center O, it has rotational symmetry too. One is 180 degree, another one is 360 degree. Okay, I hope you understand that. If you don't, please see this one once again. All right, now next one. A plane leaves London on a flight of Dubai. The plane lands on Dubai, where the local time in Dubai, the local time is 1720. Okay. The flight time is 6 hours 50 minutes. The local time is in Dubai is 3 hours ahead of the local time of London. So from London it comes to Dubai. Okay, and Dubai is 3 hour ahead of London times. Okay, and then when it's landed on the Dubai, the local time of Dubai is 1720, and flight time is 6 hours 50 minutes. Calculate the local time in London when the flight left. Okay, so when it starts from here or take off from here, London. Okay, and what is the local time of this place? Okay, when the plane take off. Okay, so it's 1720, and then it's gonna be 6 hour 50 minutes flight. So let's subtract 6 hour 50 minutes. Okay, so from here, see this is 2 less than 5. So I'm gonna cut this 17 hours and make it 16. I have 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 plus 20, that means 80 minutes. Now from 80 minutes, take 50 minutes off, so it's gonna be 30, and this is gonna be 10:30. Okay, that's the local time when this flight, local time of Dubai when this flight take off from London. Okay, now this time is 3 hours ahead of London. I need London's local time, so I'm gonna subtract 3 hours from here. Okay, so it's gonna be 30, and that's gonna be 7. So local time would be 7:30. Okay, so this is done. At one time during the flight, the temperature inside the plane is 17 degree centigrade. Okay, the temperature outside the plane is minus 43 degrees centigrade. Work out the difference between the inside and outside temperature. So 17 minus, whenever it says difference, so subtract the small one from the bigger one. That's the easiest way to do. Okay, so this is going to be 17 plus 43, and 3 plus 7 is 10, carrying 1, 5, and 1 is 6. So 60 degree centigrade. Okay, now the plane leaves London, where the temperature outside is 17 degree centigrade. The plane rises to a height where the temperature outside is minus 43 degree. So what actually it's saying that on the land it's 17 degree. Okay, but on the height, this temperature is negative 43 degree. Okay, so when it's going up, the temperature is decreasing. Okay, and the temperature decreases by 2 degree with every increase of 300 meter height. Calculate the increase of height of the plane. So this height equal to what? Okay, now from here to here, we have done it before. It's 60 degree. Okay, so this is 60 degree, and then every 2 degree I have 3 meters. So half of this is gonna be 30. Okay, so 30 times 300, that's gonna give me 9,000 meter. Okay, so that's gonna be 9,000 meter. So every 2 degree changes of the temperature, it gives 300 degree 300 meter height. So 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree, that means 300, 300, 300. So 60 degree divided by 2, that's actually 30, and 30 times 300, that height is 9,000. Okay, so that's done. All right, what fraction of this 4 by 4 square is shaded? So this shaded part. Now what I need to do, see, I have this. All I need, see, these are the unshaded region, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Okay, but I need this part over here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find out from here. Okay, let's say this part over here. I'm gonna find out this region. Okay, and if you look at this, this is 1 and this is 1 2 3 4 4. So this region would be area would be, let's say area 1, it's gonna be half times 1 times 4. So that's cross out, so it's gonna be 2. And then I have to go and find out this region over here, so that part. Okay, only this part. Okay, so this area 2, this is area 1, this is area 2, this area 2 would be half, this is 90 degrees, so 1 2, and this is 1 2 3 3. So this cross out, so this is 3. Okay, now look at this, total is 4 by 4, that means 16. And how many parts shaded? Okay, and look at this, how many not shaded? Okay, I have 1 2 3 4, and this is half of that, that's 2. So 4 plus 2, see that 2, and over here I have 3. Okay, so 4 plus 2 plus 3, that's gonna be 9. So this nine squares are not shaded, but I need shaded. So 16 minus 9, that should be 7 by 16. So 7 by 16 is the shaded region. Okay, the fraction. Okay, a youth club has 150 members. 60 of the members are girls. What percent of the girl members of the club members are girls? So 60 of the members are girls. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, number of girls, that's 60 over 150 times 100. So this 0 cross out, 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 20s are, so it's 40% of the club members are girls. Okay, Ben is given some money. He spends some of it and saves the remainder. The ratio of the money he spends to the money he saves, so spent versus saved, is 3:1. He spent $15. Calculated the amount of money Ben was given. Let's say X is the amount of money Ben was given. So according to the question, he spent, and spend was 3. So 3 over total sum of the ratio is 3 plus 1 is 4 of X, that means times X equal to 15. So that's gonna be X equal to 15, and this 3 plus 1 4 gonna go up, and this 3 gonna come down, 3 5, so 5 4s are 20. So he was given $20. Okay, now let's do question number 7. Usama recorded the number of items bought by each of the 20 customer at a shop. The results are shown in the table. So number of items bought, one item bought by number of customer 3, and 2, no one bought 2 of them. 5 bought 3 each, 3 bought 4 each, 7 bought 5 each, and 2 bought 6 each. Write down the mode. Mode is which item was bought the most. Okay, see that 5 items, number of customer, 7 customers bought 5 items, each of them bought actually 5 items each. So 5 is the mode over here. This 5 is appeared most of the time. Okay, find the median number of the item bought. Now over here was 20 customer. If I add that, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So 20 divided by 2, that gives me 10. So median would be when it's even number is 10th and the number followed by that 11th, average of that. Okay, so 3 plus 5, that's 8. Now from this is 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, so over here there are 8 terms over here, and then 9 10 11, next 3, 9th 10th and 11th. Okay, that's bought 4 each. Okay, so this is gonna be, so 10th, I need 10th and 11th, so 10th and 11 are right over here, and that's gonna be down over here in this box. So it's going to be both of them 4. 4 plus 4 divided by 2, that's nothing but 4. Calculate the mean number of items bought. So mean number, let's say mean number should be 1 times 3 plus 2 times 0 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times 3 plus 5 times 7 plus 6 times 2, and below here the number, the total number was 20, so 20, and here is 3, this is 0, so I don't need that. 3 5s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 5 7s are 35, and 6 2s are 12 divided by 20. So it's gonna be 2 and 5 7, 8 9, 9 14, 14 and 3 17, 7, carrying 1 2 5 6 7, so 77 divided by 20. So if I divide this by 2, it's gonna be 10, and 77 gonna be 3 to the 6, 8 the 16.5, and over here is gonna be 3.85. Okay, that's the mean. Usama draws a pie chart to show the data. Calculate the angle of the sector on the pie chart which represent the number of people who bought 3 items. Not 3 items, the number of people. So 3 items bought by 5 people. Okay, so it's gonna be 5 people out of 20. Then what is this 5 people represent angle? Let this angle be x out of 360. So this x is going to be 5 times 360 divided by 20. So this cross out, and that's going to be 18. So 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. So 40 0. 40 0. Carrying 4. 5 1s are 5 and 4 9. So that's going to be 90. Okay. I don't need to draw that. So it's just 90 degree. Okay. If you need to draw that, you can just roughly find out this one. Okay, so that's done. Question number 8. Okay, A, B, and C are points on the circumference of the circle center O. O is the midpoint of BC, and ABC is 38 degree. Tangent are drawn from T, touch the circle at A and B. So when from one point 2 tangents are drawn, they are equal. We do know that. Calculate angle BCA, this angle. Now, see, this is O. O is the center. It says so. Circle center O. When O is the center, this is angle at the circumference in a semicircle. This is always 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, this angle should be 90 minus 38. So that should be 90 minus 38. So from here it's gonna be 2, and this is gonna be 52 degree. Okay, so this is 52 degree. Calculate ATB, this one. Now alternate segment theorem says, let me write down this one. This is 52 degree. Alternate segment theorem says that a tangent, okay, when make an angle with the chord of a triangle of a circle, this angle equals to the chord that makes another angle on the other side of the segment. Okay, so this angle equals. Okay, if this is equal but these two sides are equal, that makes this is an isosceles triangle, which means, in another words, this angle equal to 52. So this angle, whatever we are trying to find out, ATB, angle ATB, has to be 180 minus sum of these two. So that's gonna be 180 minus 2 times 52. Now 180, 2 times 52 should be 104. So that's going to be 76 degrees. So that's 76. Now question number 9, find the integers that satisfied this inequality. I'm going to do 2 different ways. Okay, let's say I'm going to do this one. 1 is over here, 3x plus 5, and see that I'm going to leave some space. Now I'm going to try to make x isosceles. Okay, it's going to be isosceles from other parts. So I'm going to subtract that 5 from here and 5 from here and 5 from here. So from all three places, I subtract 5. Isolate, okay. Minus 4, sorry for the fumbling. This cross out 3x, and this is gonna be 6. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide all of this is by 3, okay. So that's gonna be minus 4 by 3. Then this is x, and this is 2. Now on the number line, if I draw that, okay, so this is gonna be 0. This is going to be minus 1. This is going to be minus 2. And minus 4 by 3, that's actually 1 by 3. So it's somewhere over here. So just draw it like this. Okay. And then 2, 1, 2. And that's actually solid, and that's open circle. So this x in between here. Now it says integers value. So it's not equal to that. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2. That's done. Okay, but there is another way you can do. You can separate this. You can take this two part, 1, 3x plus 5. Then keep x in this side. Make this one over here minus 5, and this is 3x. So that's gonna be minus 4. Bring this 3 to this side. So that x. Okay, and this part calculate separately. 3x plus 5 is less than or equal to 11. So keep x in this side, and over here keep x in this side. So 3x and 5 goes there. 11 minus 5 is 6. So x is gonna be 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we can just put them together. Minus 4 by 3 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 2. And then you can draw this and find out this answer. Okay, so this is my final answer. Thank you for watching. Let me do from question number 10 in different video. Okay, take care, have a good day.